No yield, diving deep into the phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we are going to demystify the phrase, no yield. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how you can use it in everyday conversations. When we think about the word yield, it generally refers to producing or giving forth. In agricultural terms, it can mean the amount of crops produced. In finance, it's about the returns on investments. So, when we put no before yield, it quite literally means not producing anything or no returns. Example, if a field has no yield, it means no crops were produced. In everyday speech, no yield can be used in various contexts. Here are some. 1. Not beneficial. If something does not provide any advantage or positive outcome, it has no yield. Example, I tried various methods to fix the computer, but there was no yield. It still doesn't work. 2. No results after effort. When you put in effort but get no results. Example, despite our team's hard work on the marketing campaign, there was no yield in terms of sales increase. 1. Context is key. Always ensure the context is clear when using the phrase. For instance, if you're talking about farming, people will understand it in the agricultural sense. But in a general conversation, they'll think of it in terms of results or benefits. 2. Pair with descriptive words. You can also pair it with words to further clarify. For example, there was absolutely no yield from our efforts. This emphasizes the lack of results. 3. Avoid overuse. Like any idiom or phrase, ensure you don't overuse it. It's great to have it in your vocabulary arsenal, but variety is the spice of language. So there you have it, the ins and outs of the phrase, no yield. We hope this video has clarified its meaning and usage for you. Keep experimenting with new phrases, and always remember, language is a tool. The more you practice, the better you get. Happy learning!